Thank you for watching. This is Stevon NextLevel Mindset bringing you another powerful and positive video. In this video, I want to share with you 5 powerful ways to create a money mindset. Begin to think and live like the millionaire that you and I really are. Watch this video all the way to the end. Got a new video I put together to a song. I want to share that with you, and I need your input on some things we're doing here at Next Level. So you do not want to miss what we got going on. Let's get into it. If this is your first time here, my name is Stevon. I'm a singer, songwriter, recording artist, author, and inspirational speaker. And if you really enjoy great music, entertainment, inspiration, and motivation, make sure you bookmark my page. Come hang out with me anytime you want. You'll always have a home here at Next Level. Thank you. So, 5 powerful ways to create a money mindset, to begin to live a life of abundance, this life of a millionaire. My last power talk was about how to never be broke again. So I said I need to come behind that, really expound on how we can create a money mindset and share with you what I've been doing in my life. And maybe you can take this journey with me on our road to manifesting the millionaire status that we know we are worth. So the first thing, powerful way that we can create a money mindset is we see our money as being invested and circulated and not as spent and used. See, we used to see our money as being spent and used up. Now we have elevated to that next level mindset. Now we see our money as being invested and circulated. I like to say I give, and I don't mind giving big. When I give, it comes back to me, multiplied, expanded, and overflowing with an abundance of increase. I always get it back like that. And I like to say it like that too, so I can lock in my emotions and lock in those feelings about what this is that we're doing. We're reprogramming our subconscious mind, creating a money mindset of abundance. So that's the first thing, first powerful way that you and I can create a money mindset. And I've been doing it, and we can do this together, is to see our money as being circulated and invested, not used and spent. Matter of fact, if you look on the screen, I'll show you an investment of mine, just to let you know that there's more things that we can do with our funds. The link to that Real Financial is in the description. You want more information on that, leave me a comment. I'll be glad to get more into that. But yeah, we can invest and circulate, never spend and use. The second powerful way that we can create a money mindset and live this life of abundance and manifest the millionaire status that you and I are worth is that we begin to get rid of this whole idea about money being evil. The Bible doesn't say anything about money being evil. It says the love of money is the root of all evil. We used to get that wrong. So we got rid of that whole idea. Our money's in circulation now. It's not evil, it is neutral. And we know that as long as we don't do anything to love money so much that we break that golden rule, we're all right and we're well on our way to the next level. So our money is not evil. It is the love that causes problems. And we got rid of that love by being able to put it into circulation and invest it in the right way. The third powerful way to create a money mindset and to live that life of abundance is that we begin to be a channel and not a reservoir. I've learned to be a channel. See, now a channel, water flows through, but a reservoir, it bundles up like a dam and it stays in one place, getting all cluttered up. I've learned to be a channel, and wherever money flows through, it will always flow to. Don't ever forget that. Wherever money flows through, it will always flow to. So let that money flow through you. Some people do it in church through their tithes and their offerings. Some people do it in different organizations and ministries that they give out. Millionaires, they usually do it through their foundations and all their charities and things like that. We all have a certain way that we can be a channel that money flows through. And I always say that where money is, money flows. But it's got to flow through. And whenever money flows through, it'll always flow to. So we've learned to be a channel and not a reservoir. Let that money flow through and it'll always flow to you. Fourth powerful way to create a money mindset, to develop the thinking of a multi-millionaire, even stepping up to that level, is to absorb ourselves in all types of audios and affirmations and different tips and strategies on a multi-millionaire thinking. Thinking like a multi-millionaire, thinking like we are living in abundance, to begin to listen to those mindsets. I've got several right here on this channel. I'll link some cards, and in the description, I'll link them for you so you can listen to them. Money mindset affirmations, where we begin to recreate our mindset. I got one that says that I am a multi-millionaire. I've got millions of dollars in different bank accounts all over the world. Now I begin to say that and feel like it, and guess what, family? It will become a reality. Even now, it's becoming real for you and for me. So we're going to do this for the next 21 days in science. You can do something for 21 days, it locks in a new habit. So for the next 21 days, you and I are going to absorb ourselves in affirmations, audios, and different videos, different tips and strategies on millionaire thinking, abundance, creating a money mindset. Fifth powerful way to create a money mindset, develop the thinking of a multi-millionaire, living this life of abundance, is to find your inner creator. And I'm talking to somebody right now. You've lost that inner child. I'm here to tell you, find that inner child again. Bring that inner creator back. That's that one that loves to have fun and joke. You'll find out that you can do something that you love to do with that inner child, that inner creator. Create something and leave in this world. And not only that, it'll be a blessing to others and you can get paid to do it. I like to say I enjoy every day doing the things I love, and others hand over large sums of money to me for my service. Find your inner creator and begin to create again. Leave something here in this world, make a service or product, and get paid at the same time. This is the fifth powerful way that we begin to create our money mindset. Live this life of abundance that we know we are worth. As we find an inner creator and begin to create and share with the world. We are worthy. We are worthy of living a life of abundance. And if we put these things into practice, I guarantee you our lives will never be the same. So let that bless you. If you've enjoyed this so far, hit that like button. That helps the channel. I'm going to do this song for you, and I know you're going to love that as well. Let's do that.
Thank you, Lord. I love the Lord. He heard my cry and pitied every groan, long as I live. Oh yeah. And trouble rise, I'll haste unto to his throne. Oh, I just want to say, Lord, yeah. Lord, I love you. I love you, Lord. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Lord, I love you. I really love you. Yes, I do, Lord.
Listen, if this brought you value and you enjoyed it, do me a favor, hit that like button that sends a computer algorithm signal to the other people on this channel and lets them know this video, this video, it'll let them know it's worth watching if you hit that like button. I got links in the description that will help me and support you as well. So check out those links in the description. A lot of fun things down there for us to enjoy. Now, there's 2 more videos that are going to come up on the screen. Watch both of them. See me over there. Stay blessed, stay positive. And I remember, there is no God outside of us. There's only God within us. And with that, we are unstoppable. There's nothing that needs to be done in our life that we cannot do. I'll see you on the next level.